Welcome everyone. Today we will start first activity of class 9, that is square root spiral. Before starting this activity, you should have the knowledge of the Pythagoras theorem and knowledge of drawing a perpendicular line to a given line segment at a point. The material required are a pencil, scale, compass. So let's start this activity by following the given steps. You can see here the preview of the spiral. This is up to under root 17. You can see here. So let's start. Start a point. Call it at origin. You can see here a point at the center of the sheet. Construct a unit square above the origin and to the right of it. Before this point, you have to draw a square of 1 unit. Now construct a diagonal from the origin to the opposite vertex of the unit square. Join the diagonal. You can see here. Yes. Now we have two isosceles right triangles. Their legs are each 1 unit and their hypotenuse equal to the diagonal of our unit square. Let's ignore the triangle above the diagonal and concentrate on the one below it and to the right. Ignore the above triangle. By the Pythagoras theorem, the length of the hypotenuse that should be equal to the under root 2 because its base and height are 1 unit. 1 square plus 1 square, that will be equal to the under root 2 square. We can get root 3 by using the old hypotenuse under root 3 as the long leg for a new right triangle with the short leg 1. It means under root 2 is playing the role of base and 1 is the height. After joining them, we can get under root 3. You can verify it. Root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to the under root 2 square. Yes, this is the under root 3. Similarly, by taking root 3 as base and 1 is height, join these 2 points and here you get under root 4, under root 3 square, base square plus height square is equal to the hypotenuse, that is under root 4. Under root 4 is the perfect square of 2. So let's stop here for a quick check. The square root of 4 is 2. We all know it. Let's check it. The side of our unit square should be exactly matches the hypotenuse. It means under root 4, that is the 2 unit. So here we can draw 2 squares with by taking the units, 2 units. You can see here. It's just for the checking. Now we have to follow it. Again, by taking root 4 as base and taking 1 is height, you have to draw these 2 points and it will form under root 5. Similarly, by following the same step, again root 5 is base and take 1 unit and again join these 2 points. This will form under root 6 because under root 5 square plus 1 square is equal to the under root 6 square. Similarly, we have to follow this step again and again. Root 6 is base now. Take 1 unit length. Height is 1 unit. Now this is root 7. Under root 7, 6 square plus 1 square, that is equal to the under root 7 square. Now again, base is under root 7 and take its height 1 unit. Join it with the origin. This is root 8. Root 7 square plus 1 square is equal to the root 8 square. Again, root 8 is base. Take height is 1. Yes. Now join it with the origin. This is root 9. Under root 8 square plus 1 square is equal to root 9 square, that is 3. Again we will check it here. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 is the perfect square of 9. So length should be exactly matches the hypotenuse. Check it. Yes. Here we can draw 3 squares with having the unit 1 unit. Now continue it. Under root 9 is base, taking height 1 unit. Draw it. Join it with the origin. This is root 10. Under root 10 square plus 1 square is equal to under root 9 square plus 1 square is equal to the under root 10. Similarly, under root 11, this is the base and take height 1 unit. Yes, you have to draw a straight line because 90 degree we need a straight line. Now join it with the origin. This is under root 12. Again under root 12 is base and take height 1 unit. Yeah. Join it with the origin. This is under root 13. Similarly, under root 13 is base. Take height 1 unit. This is the baseline. Draw it with the origin. Again, this is root 14. Root 14 is playing the role of base here. Draw a height 1 unit and join it with the origin. This is under root 15. Again, root 15 is base and take height 1 unit. And even when we are sure any light at the end of the tunnel has been cruelly snuffed, under root 16. Now root 16, take height 1 unit. Under root 16, that is the perfect square of the 4. So let's check it. 4 unit length should exactly measure the hypotenuse. So we will draw here squares by taking 1 unit, by taking its length 1 unit. Yes, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Under root 16 now for base and height 1 unit. This is under root 17. Join it with the origin. Now this is our complete spiral root. Thanks for watching.